Hello there, welcome back to my video, and in this video I'm going to share with you about an application called Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is actually a tool that allows the students to watch and interact with the videos while the teacher is gathering information throughout the lesson. So in here, Edpuzzle allows you to take a video from different resources, for example YouTube, and manipulate it into the lesson that the teacher is teaching. The Edpuzzle has this quiz feature because it allows you to embed questions as the students are watching the video. Okay, so that way the teacher can actually see the progress that the student is making. So when you first using Edpuzzle, you'll just need to go through the normal sign in procedure, and then you'll come to a site where there are other collections of videos by other teachers. Okay, I'm just going to pick one and show you. Alright, so this teacher has actually created a video on my home, and now I'm going to show you how she has actually used this video in her lesson. Okay.
Hello, friends.
Okay, so the video pauses and there's a question that pops up. What is the girl's name? So the student will have to read, my name is Gina, I live in this house. So the student will need to answer the question. Okay, submit. Continue.
Friends, my name is Jinnah. Let me show you my house. I live in this home. It has many rooms. All rooms are not the same.
There you go again. There's another question. Okay, so choose the correct sentence. In many rooms, all rooms are not the same. So suppose this is the answer. There you go.
This is my bed. I sleep in this room. This is my bedroom. I watch television.
There you go. So another question pops up. Okay, Gina sleeps in her. Let me just choose a wrong answer and say. There you go. Okay.
I watch television with my family here. This is our living room.
So what happens here is that the students are actually tested while they are watching the video. This video is actually keeping the students in check while they are watching and completing a set of questions. So from here we can say that this video is now made interactive with your students, and it makes it more student-centered learning. Okay, I'm just going to skip this. Let's go back to Edpuzzle. Now, how do you make a video on your own and make it interactive and assign it to your students? Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make one. On your left, you can see a list of popular channels where you can retrieve the video from. I'm going to choose YouTube. Okay, all right. And let's say I am teaching them about good friends and toxic friends. 10 differences between good friends and toxic friends. Now, my aim is to make this video as interactive as possible. So I'm going to edit this, and I want to put in questions that my students will answer as they watch this video. So go ahead and click edit. Okay, so you come to this page where you can modify this video. You can shorten it if you think it's too long by cutting it. You can also do voice over. Okay, since I'm going to add in questions, I am going to click questions. So here, okay, there are types of questions that I can put in, be it MCQ, multiple choice question, open-ended question, or simply put a note, probably a note on what they will have to do after they watch this video. Okay.
We all know the phrase, a friend in need is a friend indeed. But did you know the difference between good friends and toxic friends?
Okay, so here I'm going to put in a question. Give one difference between a good friend and a toxic friend.
Well, we all have
Okay, continue.
well, we all have that one friend who's bad-tempered, a little jealous, and somewhat conceited. Do you think he or she is a true friend to you? Let's see. Today we've got 10 major differences between good friends and toxic friends that you should consider. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's important for us. Number 1. Good friends celebrate your success. They're really happy with your promotion at work, your new relationships, or even your new shiny car. They'll be
Okay, so I'm going to add in another question. So, what is the difference number 1? Okay, jealous, happy with your success. Okay, so this is a multiple choice question that I'm giving them.
the first who
So I've given them two
be the
questions.
first who call you and say, "Hey, well done. Congratulations. Let's go out and celebrate." They're always very proud of you. Toxic friends get jealous of your achievement. Even your smallest achievements enrage them. They cannot put up with the idea that someone's business is going well. They can like your photos on
Okay,
Instagram, but
so I assume that I have finished adding in questions for this video. Now I want to assign this video to my students. Okay, here it will ask you if you want to assign, which class would you want to assign this video to. I can choose probably, okay, my Form 3 class. Then I click assign. Okay, so the video is now assigned to the class, and here the teacher can actually monitor for the progress of the students if they have actually watched the video and how long it took for them to actually complete the questions. Okay, all right. So that's pretty much how you're going to use Edpuzzle in your classroom. Edpuzzle also allows you to share videos from other teachers that has already edited the videos and put in the questions. Okay, for example, I want to add in a video on physics, let's say. Okay, see there's any videos on physics that's been added. Okay, for example, I'm teaching them on electric charge. So here you can see the kind of questions that has already been added in. Okay, you can watch the video, and if you're happy with the questions and you think, well, the question, there's a lot of question, you can edit this video. Okay, so it allows you to choose if there's any question that you want to delete. It allows you to delete questions if you think it's a lot. Okay.
Of electrostatic forces. Next.
Okay, you can delete it here if you think it's a lot of questions. And if you think that the question aren't enough, you can go to questions and you can further add in more questions if you want. If you're happy with what you have edited, you can go ahead and click finish. Okay, and assign. Edpuzzle is a very cool application. It allows you to be innovative. Uh, you can take just about any video, edit it, cut it to the portion that you want. You can even add in audio notes, even questions for students. So in the end of the day, they have a virtual classroom where you can monitor their individual progress. I hope that you find this video useful and click subscribe because I'll be adding in more videos in nearest time. Thank you for watching.